What's up, guys? It's your boy J to the D.
And your girl, Haley.
And we are back with another reaction video. Let's get it. Alright, today's video is about a farting in the hood prank. It should be hilarious because nobody wants to get farted on.
Yes.
And they're in the hood, so they should react pretty good to their prank, so...
I would be scared because you know they would put a get up to them.
Let's get into the video.
What's going on, guys? This is Mo, and this is Op TV. Today we're back in the hood, but this time the Flatbush Project with the one and only Dennis CTV. Excuse me. You know where I can find the bathroom? Go in the next room. Check out.
He kicked him.
I got the Marks. You know where I can use the bathroom at? You know where I could you know where I can find a public bathroom?
She said, are you
Because
kidding
I
me?
got the Marks.
Why are you doing that?
What do you mean? Why am I?
That's how I would react.
You want me to punch you?
What do you mean punch you?
You want me to hit you?
I just have a problem. You're gonna hit me for what? I'm just trying to fart.
Are they zoom in?
Yeah. She
You're
is
harassing
thick.
me right now, you know that, right?
Harassing you for what? Letting gas out?
Here,
I would slap him.
And it's a prank.
and I'm gonna beat your ass.
Excuse me? Do you mind if I fart on you real quick? Huh? Like fart.
What?
Like fart on you, like.
What else? What other reason?
You don't mind, man?
Huh?
What?
He said, let me talk to you. You don't do that.
He hit him.
Yeah. Oh my
It's
god.
on camera. It's on camera, man. It's on camera. It's on camera. It's on camera, man.
Oh. Whoa.
He said, do you know me?
He said, I don't know. Yeah. Oh.
I swear to God, I would hit him so hard. Yes, I would kick him like that.
Oh.
He held his head down like this.
He slammed him. Ooh. Yeah, they be taking it too far for real. Man, that's the most intense prank I
You
ever
do
seen.
it.
I'm not doing that,
You would
bro.
be too scared.
Not scared. I wouldn't want to put people through that. Who wants to be
That's
farted on?
embarrassing. And he be like grabbing their heads, like trying to make them smell it.
Hope they got paid well for that. 'Cause they got
Yes.
bumps and bruises. But y'all say what y'all think in the comments below about this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel.
Because we are coming back with more videos. A lot.
And follow us on Instagram. It'll be in the description below. And we'll be back with more videos. Let's get it.
And now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't